But let's get into this. One bowl, we're gonna make the sauce first. 1 cup of mayonnaise, we're gonna throw that right into that bowl. I'm gonna come back with about a 1/4 cup of sour cream, just like that. Now we're gonna come back with some garlic. I got the paste, so about 2 to 3 cloves of the garlic going in. I like to use the paste in sauces because it makes it smooth. I like smooth sauce. All right. Next, we're going to come back with some half and half, about a 1/4 cup. And we've got some seasoning. This is my secret Italian seasoning. The recipe will be below in the comment area. So you can make it yourself if you like, or just use Italian seasoning. It's up to you. And the zest of 1 lemon. So we're going to get all that together, and we'll mix it up real good, nice and smooth. And one thing we still have to add is fresh grated Parmesan cheese. About 3/4 of a cup of that is going to go in once we finish zesting this lemon. Then we'll mix everything up, and we're going to slide this into the refrigerator for at least an hour. Longer the better. Let those flavors marry and get together and make a real good time. So while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, hit that hype, hit that comment, hit everything. That's it. Just go there and hit everything. I appreciate it. Help me grow the channel. You guys are awesome. We hit 40,000 the other day. That's a milestone. Very appreciative to all of you that helped out. It really means a lot to me. I can't tell you how much. So we got this sauce mixed up, nice and smooth, tastes perfect, in the fridge it goes. Now to our chicken. They say best to use chicken thighs. So we're going to use chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. We're going to cut off any excess fat. And then we're going to cut these into bite-sized pieces. And we'll put these into a mixing bowl once we get them all cut up. And then we're going to season these up before we fry them. So we got, I believe, 4 chicken thighs is what I used. And you're also going to need a nice non-stick pan to cook these in. So we're just about done. Got one more chicken thigh to go. I'm all over the place today. What's going on? So we get this guy cleaned up and cut. Into the bowl, we'll get everything. And the first thing we're going to do is top them off with some good olive oil. I guess we're not quite there yet. There we go. Last piece. Cut it. Cut to the bowl. There we go. All right, now we're going to toss some olive oil in there. Put your gloves on for this one, or get yourself a nice big spoon, but I prefer the gloves. That way you can really get in there and make sure every piece gets a nice coating of all these seasonings in the oil. So olive oil first. There we go. We get all that in there. Now we're going to come back with our seasoning. Oh, I forgot the garlic. Another 4 or 5 cloves of that. You want a lot of garlic on this one, that's for sure. And then we'll come back with our homemade Italian seasoning. About probably a 1/4 cup. That's it. We got a lot of chicken to season in there. Don't be shy. Now, that's about a 1/4 cup of almond flour. And then about a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now we'll get in there and we're going to mix this up real good. Make sure every piece gets coated nice. This is the flavor right here. So I've got my non-stick pan out, and I'm using avocado oil. This has a little bit higher heat ratio than olive oil, but you could probably get away with olive oil. So once we finish this up, we're going to have the heat on medium. And we're going to put our chicken down in that oil, and we're just going to let it cook. And when it comes time to turn it, don't force it. If it's sticky, let it go. The chicken will release when it's ready. So don't force it, just wait for it to release by itself. Then give it a flip, let it go on the other side for 4 or 5 minutes. Serve this with the sauce, and you have a guilt-free, keto made me do it, chicken bite, snack, dinner, whatever you want to use it for. But they are delicious, they are crispy, they are loaded with flavor. And that sauce, I'm keeping that sauce for other things. That sauce will be good on just regular chicken or on a burger. That sauce recipe is dynamite, so if anything, put that to the side. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, remember, every Sunday and every Thursday. Thank you.
And now it's your turn. So stick around and let's get cooking. There's a great new YouTube channel called Keto Made Me Do It, and they shared this simple but incredibly tasty recipe. Let me show you how it's done. First, let's make the dipping sauce. In a bowl, combine 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 3 or 4 cloves of minced garlic, the zest of 1 lemon, 1/2 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Mix everything together until smooth, then place it in the refrigerator to chill while we cook the chicken. Now for the star of the show. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs work best. Cut them into bite-sized pieces and place them in a bowl. Drizzle with a little olive oil, then season with Italian seasoning. I use my special blend, and you'll find that recipe below. Add 4 or 5 cloves of minced garlic and about 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Add 1/4 cup almond flour. Mix everything together until every piece of chicken is well coated. Heat a non-stick skillet over